Hi friends, this is Dr. Swapnil Nagwekar and founder of Dr. Swapnil's Health Arc, and I regularly post videos on health and wellness that will make a difference in your life. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. If you are suffering from sinus headache, nasal congestion and running nose, then this is a perfect video for you. In this video, we'll get complete information in regards to your sinusitis. What are the signs and symptoms of sinusitis? What are the risk factors of sinusitis? What are causes of sinusitis? What are the home remedies you can do in case of sinusitis? And what are the do's and don'ts for sinusitis? So what is sinusitis? Sinusitis is inflammation of the sinuses, and it is often associated with the inflammation of the nasal cavity. So it is called rhinosinusitis. In sinusitis, mucus accumulation occurs within the sinuses. What are the symptoms of sinusitis? You can have headache, facial tenderness, inability to smell, running nose, nasal congestion, sore throat, post-nasal drip. You can have coughing, sneezing, etc. Most common causes of sinusitis is viral infection. Other causes could be bacterial, fungal, and chemical irritants in the air. The risk factors for sinusitis include previous respiratory infection, reduced immunity, nasal polyps, allergic reaction to dust, pollen, and structural abnormalities like deviated nasal septum. So what are the strategies in managing your sinusitis? The first thing is Jalneti, which is called saline nasal irrigation. It is one of the practice which has been performed by the ancient yogis, and I also mentioned in an ancient yoga book. This is a purification technique which involves the clearing of the upper respiratory tract and also the sinus passages. The simple practice can be performed in the morning time after brushing your teeth. In this, the neti pot is filled with warm salt water and the head is tilted to one side. The pot spout is inserted into the top nostril and water is slowly poured in that and allowed to drain to the lower nostril. During this time, you can breathe to the mouth, but see that this technique is learned from the expert yoga practitioner. So what are the benefits of Jalneti? Jalneti helps in clearing the nasal cavity. It also helps in removing the dirt and bacteria from the sinuses. The mucus accumulation in the sinuses thins out because of the Jalneti, and also it helps in proper drainage of the sinuses. The next strategy is steam inhalation. Dry air and dry sinuses causes increase in intrasinus pressure that can cause throbbing headache and pain. When you add steam inhalation, the steam adds moisture to the air and clears the sinus passages. As a result, the thickened mucus which is present in the sinuses gets thinned out. For steam inhalation, you need to add hot water in utensil and add few drops of eucalyptus oil. Cover your face with cloth and then inhale and exhale to the nostril for 5 to 8 minutes. For mild sinus infection, this is a perfect remedy to relieve from sinus headache, pain and cold. Also, eucalyptus oil is anti-inflammatory, which helps in reducing nasal congestion. The third useful strategy is keep yourself hydrated by means of fluid. If you have lots of fluid, the mucous membrane of the sinuses remain moist. As a result, it helps in thinning out the mucus and clearing the nasal congestion. So the next strategy is apply warm compression over the sinuses, which will help in relieving the sinus pressure and the sinus pain. So you can take a clean washed cloth, soak it in hot water and use the folded cloth over the facial area, so which will help you in relieving the sinus pressure and the sinus headache. So the next useful strategy is to consume herbal tea. Herbal tea with a combination of ginger and turmeric is a perfect remedy for sinusitis, as it has antimicrobial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in unclogging of the nasal passages and gives instant relief. So you can take 1 or 2 teaspoons of grated ginger plus 1 teaspoon of turmeric, add to hot water, boil it for 10 minutes and strain the liquid and sip this tea 2 or 3 times a day. And the last strategy is to practice pranayama. Pranayama like Bhastrika, Kapalbhati, Anulam Vilom and Bhramari Pranayam are the best for sinusitis. They help you in relieving the sinus pressure and also the clearing the sinus passages. So try practicing pranayama at least 15 to 20 minutes on a daily basis. If you want to get relief of sinus headache, try mixing half teaspoon of cinnamon powder with enough water. Make a paste and apply it locally over the face. So what are the do's and don'ts to prevent sinusitis? First is the do's. You need to have a adequate ventilation in your house. Second is you require to have a good humidity in the house. So try to use a humidifier. Try using lot of antibacterial foods like ginger, garlic, onion and spices. Also try to consume lot of anti-inflammatory foods like pineapple, berries, cherries, tomatoes, broccolis, etc. What are the don'ts to prevent sinusitis? Avoid cold drinks, cold water and cold water bath. Avoid cheese, buttermilk and ice creams. Avoid exposure to cold weather. Also avoid cigarette smoke and air pollutants. So try to follow these simple strategies which will help you in managing your sinusitis. Sinusitis can be easily managed by means of a simple home remedies. But at times you need to meet your doctor if you have very high fever, if there is a greenish discharge, if there is vision abnormality and if there is sinusitis for more than 10 days, then visiting your doctor is a must. If you like this video, kindly share this video with your friends and thanks for watching this video.